Now the next topic is importance of pH in everyday life. So here the first point is the importance of pH in living organisms. It is mainly for humans. Body of organisms or humans works in optimum pH, that is from 7.0 to 7.8. So our body pH, or you can say the pH of our blood, is between 7 to 7.8 only, because all the proteins, enzymes, hormones, they work in this optimum range of pH. The second point is in aquatic organisms. When the pH of water becomes lower than 5.6, like in case of acidic rain, then the survival of aquatic organisms is also affected. Actually, the organisms require neutral or slightly acidic or basic water for their survival. But if the pH becomes less than 5.6, then the survival of aquatic organisms is also affected. Acid rain is mainly due to the mixing of some non-metallic oxides with rainwater or water vapors. It is CO2, SO2, NO2 and some other oxides of nitrogen and sulfur. So these, when mixed with water vapors, they form acid rain. So this affects the soil quality also, and the survival of aquatic organisms also. Now the third point is in plants. Plants grow in such soil which is neither very acidic nor very alkaline. So mainly the pH of soil should be near about 7, or it may be slightly basic. But very much acidic or basic soil may also affect the growth of plants. Then the fourth point is in our digestive system. All of you are aware that we are having hydrochloric acid in our stomach. So HCl is secreted in our stomach by the gastric lining, which helps in the digestion of food. But too much of secretion of acid causes acidity, and it can be cured by using antacid, which is magnesium hydroxide, also known as milk of magnesia. You have heard about some antacids, like Eno is also an antacid. Ant is having an acid. It is different from antacid. Basically, here antacid means a base, and the acid which is present in ants is formic acid. So don't get confused between both. The acid present in ants is formic acid, which is having formula HCOOH, and here the acid antacid which we are talking about is a base, that is milk of magnesia, Eno or other such bases. So in our digestive system, when we eat more of oily and spicy food, we suffer from acidity, and that can be cured with the help of antacid. The next point is, fifth point, in tooth decay. If the pH of mouth is lower than 5.5, tooth decay starts. As you know that the tooth enamel is made up of a hard substance, that is calcium phosphate. It starts decaying due to the presence of bacteria which produces acids when they decompose sugar and food particles in your mouth. That means if we take our meal or we eat some sugary material, it sticks in our teeth, and as a result the bacteria present in our mouth decomposes it. Due to that, the pH of mouth becomes lower than 5.5. So to neutralize it, you should use a toothbrush or any basic solution like mouthwash or saline water. After meals you can use them so that it neutralizes the extra acid present in the mouth. The remedy is given here. First point, cleaning mouth after meal with saline water, or second one is using toothpaste, basic in nature, which neutralizes the excess acid. Then the last point, sixth, is self defense of animals and plants. You all are aware about wasp, bee, these sting. So these bee sting is having actually acid, that is methanoic acid. It is the same acid which is present in ants. Ants, it is known as formic acid. It is the same methanoic acid only. Methanoic acid is scientific name, formic acid is common name. So bee is having more amount of this acid. So it leaves an acid when it stings, and which causes pain and irritation. The remedy is using base like baking soda on the area affected area. Wasp, whereas, is having base. So when it stings, it leaves base in our body, which causes pain and irritation. So a weak acid can be applied to cure it. Then in plants, there are stinging hair of nettle plants. Nettle is a type of plant which are having hair, and that hair are stinging. That means they inject methanoic acid, which causes burning pain. That is actually for their protection. So remedy is by rubbing the area with the leaf of dock plant. Its remedy is dock plant, that is another plant, DOCK, dock plant. The leaves of that plant can be rubbed on that area, and which is having base. So the methanoic acid which is present in hair of nettle can be neutralized with the base which is present in the leaf of dock plant. Now here is a table of some naturally occurring acids. The natural source is written and the name of acid present in them is written in front of it. First one is vinegar, it is having acetic acid. Orange, lemon and citrus fruits are having citric acid. Tamarind and grapes are having tartaric acid. Tomato have oxalic acid. In curd it is lactic acid. Ant sting, nettle sting, or this bee sting is having methanoic acid. Olive oil is having oleic acid. Gastric juice, that is the juice present in our stomach, it is having HCl, that is hydrochloric acid. Then green apples are having malic acid. Fats are having stearic acid. Rancid butter is having butyric acid. Rancid means the butter which is of sour in taste, खट्टा हो जाता है जो butter, that one, it is having butyric acid. Urine is having uric acid. Fresh fruit and vegetables is having ascorbic acid, also known as vitamin C. Then bark, wood and tea is having tannic acid. Green leafy vegetables have folic acid in them.